a lot of things slow down. It's no longer as how it was before when you were 20, and now we call it perimenopause. It's important to take care because a lot of things changes in your body, but at the same time, you have greater responsibilities to do. Hi, I'm Athena Garcia. I'm a mom of two. I'm a working mom and also at the same time studying. It was my first body sculpt session, and I would say that I think the first discomfort was because, of course, you didn't anticipate that there would be some contraction. But after that, it was really smooth. Of course, I would advise that you still keep your healthy diet and maintain like a healthy lifestyle. Combining it with the machine, you get like the best result. I believe that taking care of my body is important because, of course, it's no longer as how it was before when you were 20. You could eat as much as you want and little workout, you get thin. Nowadays, I think in my age, now we call it perimenopause. You have greater responsibilities to do, not only for the family, but also, of course, in your own career. I've said because I'm also studying, so that's also another challenge that I have to cope up with. I cannot manage all these things together if I'm not healthy.